Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Alice is Missing, an immersive silent role-playing game. First, gather 3 to 5 players, each with a texting device. Designate one player as the facilitator, who will guide the setup and rules. Everyone chooses a character, establishing their connection to Alice and recording a private voicemail. The game uses a 90-minute soundtrack as a timer, setting a tense atmosphere for your investigation. Once the game starts, all communication happens via text messages. The facilitator's character sends the first message, kicking off the search for Alice. Throughout the 90 minutes, players will reveal clue cards at set intervals, like every 10 minutes. These cards introduce new information, suspects, or locations. Players must weave this new information into their text conversations, driving the narrative forward and exploring their characters' reactions. Your character's background, secret, and relationships are vital to the unfolding story. You'll assign 2 relationships to other players, which can be one-sided, adding depth to interactions. As clues are revealed and texts are exchanged, the story of Alice's disappearance develops uniquely. Players are encouraged to fully embody their characters, using both group and private messages to share theories, gossip, and even reveal personal secrets, making the experience deeply immersive. The mystery of Alice's disappearance culminates after 90 minutes, when the game timer ends. The final clue card, typically the 10-minute card, often reveals Alice's location and the culprit. Once the game concludes, all players listen to the voicemails they recorded at the beginning, providing a poignant reflection on the journey. Afterwards, a debriefing session is highly recommended to discuss the experience and collectively resolve any lingering questions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.